In this lesson, we will learn about mouse and keyboard settings. First, to change mouse settings, click on Start menu, Settings and open Control panel. In the Control panel, there is an icon denoted with mouse symbol. Double click it and open Mouse Properties. In the Mouse Properties, under Button Configuration, by selecting Switch Primary and Secondary Buttons option, we will shift the left button of the mouse to right and the right button to left. That means the left button of the mouse executes right button functions, whereas the right button of the mouse executes left button functions. To run any program in Windows or to open a folder, it should be double-clicked with the mouse. For the people who are in initial stages of learning computers, it will be difficult for them to double-click mouse so fast. We can reduce the double-clicking speed by adjusting the slider in the double-click speed option. Generally, the mouse pointer is always denoted with a white arrow mark. If we would like to change this arrow mark with any other graphical symbols or animated symbols, go to Pointers tab and click on Browse button. Choose the desired arrow mark for your cursor and click on Open. Now your default white cursor will be replaced with an animated symbol. In this way, we can change our mouse cursor into an animated cursor or a graphic cursor. At any time, if you would like to get the old default cursor, in the Pointers tab, click Use Default option. Now we have got back the default cursor. Sometimes it will be difficult to locate the location of the cursor on the screen. In this case, Show Location option will be useful. To select these options, in the Mouse Properties, open Pointer Options. In that, Show Location of Pointer when I press the Control key option should be selected. Now press OK. Now to identify the position of the cursor, we can press on Control key on the keyboard. By pressing Control key on the keyboard, we find some circular waves formed around the cursor. So with the help of these waves, cursor can be easily identified. Now let us learn about keyboard settings. To open keyboard properties, double-click on keyboard icon in the control panel. If we press any key on the keyboard for a long time, the key will be typed repeatedly. This is a common problem for the new learners. To avoid this problem, go to Keyboard Properties and Speed tab. Under the repeat rate, move the slider towards Slow. By doing this, if we press a key for a long time or if a key is pressed hardly, the letter is not repeated. After setting the repeat rate, click on Apply and OK. In this way, by adjusting mouse and keyboard settings, we can customize our computer.